Hello students, in the previous video I have explained you the multiplication techniques of any number by 10, 100, 1000 and the multiples of 10, and I have also explained you the multiplication techniques to multiply any number by 11. So I think you must have done all the homework which I have given to you. Those homework were based on the multiplication techniques of 11. So you must have matched your answers also. In this video, I am going to teach you the multiplication technique of any number by 15. Okay students, so I am going to teach you to multiply any number by 15. I am giving you an alternate method. You can also use the standard method, but this method will be easier for you. So let's take some example in order to understand this. For example, we have to multiply any number like 25 by 15. Then how will you multiply? This 15 can be write like this, 10 plus 5, because 10 plus 5 is also 15. We have to split 15 and multiply the numbers separately by this number. Okay students. So as you can see that I have splitted 15. Now 25 multiplied by 15 can be written like this. 25 multiplied by within bracket 10 plus 5. Right students? So we first multiply the number by 10. Now we are going to multiply this number by 10. This 25 is going to be multiplied by 10. So this is, now as you can see there is a positive sign, addition sign. I have kept here only that addition sign. And in class 4 also I have explained you this. Whenever we are multiplying any number, single number by the numbers in the bracket, then that same number is multiplied by every number in the bracket. So we have multiplied it with 10. Now we are going to multiply it with 5 also. Right students? Now 25 multiplied by 5, and as there was an addition sign, so I have kept as addition. अगर इस addition की जगह पे हमारा subtraction sign होता तो we would have put here subtraction sign. Okay students. Now as I have explained you in the previous video, 25 multiplied by 10 will be, just count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So we will write 250. Okay students. Now 25 multiplied by 5. What is 25 5s are? 25 5s are is 75. Now it is very easier to find out the product. It will be 5 plus 7 is 12. So the answer will be 315. Okay students, the answer is 315. So this was the multiplication technique of any number by 15. Now this was a 2-digit number. I am going to take a 3-digit number and I will multiply it with 15. So students, as you can see, I have taken a 3-digit number, that is 423. We have to multiply it with 15 using the same technique. So as I told you, I have to split 15. Now we have to split 15 as 10 plus 15, and this 423 will be multiplied by this. So as I told you, it is in bracket. So firstly it will be multiplied by 10. 423 multiplied by 10. Now here it is an addition sign. So addition sign. Now 423 will be multiplied by 5 also. Okay students. Now as I told you, whether it is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, you just have to count the number of zeros and simply put the zeros at the end of the number. So 4230 is this product. Now this one, 423 multiplied by 5. It will be 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 11, 5 4s are 20, 21. So it will be 2115. Okay students. Now we just have to add this. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So what is the answer students? The answer is 6345. Now let's take some more example in order to make you understand this. So students, now again I have taken a 2-digit number in order to multiply it with 15. So as I explained you, we have to split the first term, that is 15. It will be splitted as 10 plus 5, and 28 will be multiplied by 8. Now 28 multiplied by 10 within bracket plus 28 multiplied by 5 within bracket. Okay students. Now as I have told you, it will be 280 plus 28 multiplied by 5 will be 5 is 40, 5 to the 10. So it will be 140. Okay students. Now 280 plus 140 is, it is 320. Now I am going to explain you how to multiply any number by 99. So students, now I am going to explain you multiplication of any number by 99. As there are two methods, so before explaining the method, I want to introduce one multiplication fact. You all must will be very familiar to that fact. When you double a number, you multiply it by 2. For example, it is written 23 and it is asked to do twice 20, it is asked from you that you have to double the number. Then how will you double? Double means you have to do it twice. Twice means 23 plus 23, it will be 46. Either you double the number or you multiply it by 2. The answer will be same in both the cases. And when it is asked from you, you have to half a number. Half a number means if it is written 16, you have to half it. Half means you have to divide it by 2. So the answer will be 8. If it is written 36 and you have to half it, then the half of 36 will be 18. Okay students. So this is how you double or half the numbers. Now proceed to the multiplication technique of 99. Since there are two methods, method 1 and method 2 both, I will explain you both and you have to choose which method suits you the most, जो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, which is more convenient for you, you have to use that method. So firstly I will erase the board. Okay students. So students, as you can see, I have taken one example in order to explain method 1. It is 56 multiplied by 99. So in the previous one, the method of 15, we have splitted 15 and we have written it like 10 plus 5. So can we write 99 as 100 minus 1? Yes, we can write like this. So this is method number 1. You have to write the number in the form like this, 100 minus 1. You have to express it like this. So 56 can be written as 100 minus 1 also. So in the previous method also, we have multiplied the number by both the numbers in the bracket. So in this method also, I am going to multiply it with both the numbers. So 56 multiplied by 100. As it is having a minus sign, that is subtraction sign, so it will be subtraction over here. Now 56 multiplied by 1. Okay students. Now 56 multiplied by 100, just count the number of zeros at the end. It will be 5600. ठीक है? Okay students. Now minus 56 ones are 56. Now can we subtract it? Yes, we can subtract it and the answer will be 5544. Okay students, now I am going to take one more example based on this method to make you understand more clearly. So students, as you can see, I have taken another example which is 23 multiplied by 99. So it is also a 2-digit number. Now I am going to use the same method. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 and it will be multiplied by 23. So as I have explained you, it will be written like this, 23 multiplied by 100 within bracket minus 23 multiplied by 1 because it is 1 over here. So we have to count the number of zeros at the end. So it will be 2300 minus 23. Now when we are going to subtract, what will be the answer students? 300 minus 23 is 277. So the answer will be 2277. Now I am going to take one more example that will be a 3-digit number because I have take the example of two 2-digit numbers. Now it will be a 3-digit number. So please pay attention. So students, as you can see, I have taken a 3-digit number that is 148 and I am going to multiply it with 99 by the same method. So it will be written as 148 within bracket multiplied by 100 minus 1 because we can write 99 like this. Now 148 will be multiplied by 100 and with a subtraction sign 148 will be multiplied by 1. So as I told you, just count the number of zeros. It will be 14,800. Okay students, now the next one will be 148. Now can we subtract 800 minus 148? This 14, because this is 3-digit number and this is also 3-digit number, so I am subtracting till here only. You can subtract with the whole also. It's totally up to you. So the answer will be 14652, which is 14,652. Okay students, so this is how the first method goes on. Now I am going to explain you the second method, which is more convenient and more easy. I find the second method more easy, and which method you find easy, it's up to you. You have to use that method. So please pay attention. So students, the method 2, I am going to explain it to you, to multiply any number by 99. So the first step which you need to follow is, we will take the same example, 56 multiplied by 99. So what will be the step 1? You have to subtract 1 from the number to be multiplied by 99. So which number is to be multiplied by 99? We have to multiply 56 by 99. So firstly we have to subtract 1 from this number. This is 55. Right students? Now the second step is 99 minus this result. This is first step. Now the second step, you have to subtract the result from 99. So 99 minus 55 will be 44. So now what is the answer students? You have to join these two. 5544. This is the answer of 56 multiplied by 99. By the first method also we got the same, and by the second method also we got the same answer. But this was more easy and more convenient. Now I am going to take one more example for you. So please pay attention students. So students, as you can see, I have taken another 2-digit number example. It is not in your book. So 49 multiplied by 99. So what will be the step 1? As per the step 1, you have to subtract 1 from the number with which we are multiplying 99. So once we subtract 1, it is 48. 49 minus 1 is 48. Now this result will be subtracted from 99. This is the second step. So 99 minus 48 is 51. Now what will be the product? The product is 4851. So wasn't it easy students? It was more easy from the method 1. So I am going to explain you one more example which is based on this method. So please pay attention students. So students, now the next example I have taken is 62 multiplied by 99. So as per the rule 62, we have to subtract 1 from 62. This is step 1. It will be 61. Now the step 2 will be 99 minus 61. We have to subtract this result from 99. So what will be the answer students? It is 38. So what is the product? It is 6138. Wasn't it easy students? It was very easy. So I hope you will use this method in your multiplication sums which I am going to give you. So this is your multiplication technique of 99 and 11. 11 I have explained you in the previous video, and 15. So I am going to give you some questions on the basis of this. You have to multiply the numbers by 15 and 99 by using these techniques. I hope you will follow the techniques explained by me. So students, the question having tick mark will be your homework. So students, now I am ending this video here only. So I am going to give you some questions on the basis of this also. So I hope you will solve all the questions, and if you are facing any difficulty in any question, you can comment in the comment section. The questions will be attached at the end of the video. I hope you will solve all the questions. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.